Welcome to the Digital Scholar. If your Mimaki CJV printer isn't cutting properly, this video is for you. Many users struggle with cutting misalignment, leading to wasted material and time. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to fix it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which settings to adjust for clean, precise cuts. Step 1. I opened the Rasterlink 6 software. Then I double-clicked on a previously uploaded file to open its settings. Next, I clicked on the Cut Edit icon at the top. After that, I pressed the Print and Cut Origin Adjust button located in the middle section. Finally, I selected the Add Register Mark checkbox and clicked OK to apply the settings. After that, the printer will start printing a graph displaying the machine's X origin and Y origin values, which we will adjust and set accordingly. Now, the cutter head starts moving and begins adjusting the pinch roller settings. We set the end pinch rollers to the high position and the center pinch rollers to the mid position. This ensures that if our file's cutting is centered, the pinch rollers do not move over it, preventing any damage to the job file. Now the cutter head will first detect the register marks, ensuring that the cutting stays properly aligned within the defined area. The cutting is now complete. Next, we need to peel it off to identify any issues. First, we will peel off the square box. I noticed a slight issue on the right side as there is some magenta ink overspray in that area. Now we will peel off the entire cut to check the X origin and Y origin alignment. The X origin alignment looks perfect with no issues. The cuts are clean at the top and bottom, and there is no magenta overspray. Its value is correctly set to 0. Now it's time to check the Y origin alignment. In the Y origin, there is a minor overspray at the -1 value, which is also where our cutting alignment was off. First, we will press function 3, followed by function 1, which takes us to the Adjust Settings menu. Next, we will enter TP offset and adjust the Y offset value to -0.10. Many people make a mistake here by setting it to 0.01, which does not correct the alignment properly. Thanks for watching. On this channel, we deep dive into Mimaki and Chinese printer issues, providing detailed explanations. If you have any questions or face any issues, let us know in the comments, and we'll create a video to help you out.